This is a brand new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a smartphone adapter, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, full power accessories, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, privacy glass, 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS, a keyless entry system, and air conditioning. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.